This is one of the biggest reasons people have problems in their body. When you're training legs, there's 3 exercises that you need to learn how to do perfectly, otherwise you are going to guaranteed get back problems. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do them, which exercises they are, and tell you how to maximize the performance so you're working at strengthening your back instead of breaking it down in those exercises. So let's go, guys. Exercise number 1, the leg press machine. Amazing machine if you know how to do it right. Now, how do you do it right? The first thing you have to lock in is the back positioning. Now on this machine we got 2. One more upright and one more lying down. Always choose the one more lying down. Why? Because that becomes closer to a squat. Second thing, feet positioning. Position your feet as you would do in a squat. You don't want to have feet tighter just because you're doing a leg press machine instead of a squat. And number 3, your lower back has to stay arched. Your butt is touching, your shoulder blades is touching, your lower back is not touching. As soon as your lower back starts pressing towards the bench, what is happening is you're getting a butt wink, and that's going to damage your back. This is the number 1 reason why people have problem in the back when doing legs. And before we move on to the next exercise, I want to give you a tip. If you do it in this form and you let the weight of the machine stretch you down at the bottom, you're going to improve your squat mobility by doing leg press. Exercise number 2, and we're a couple of minutes into this video. 10 minutes of your life to fix your back. Believe me, don't skip it, watch till the end. This will improve your squat and this will fix your back problems if you do it right. So now, hamstrings curl. Let me show you guys what is the number 1 mistake people do in hamstring curls. Take a look at my lower back. Did you notice my lower back releasing, tensing, releasing, tensing? This is the number 1 reason why a hamstring curl is messing up your back. Your back needs to stay tensed. Remember guys, power position. I've been talking about this since I started this channel. Power position, maintaining tightness. This is the position you want to be doing anything and everything in. Keep this position even laying down in a hamstring curl. Back doesn't move. The only thing that bends is your knees. And this is how it should look. You notice guys, my back was maintaining the tension at all time. This is the correct way to do a hamstring curls. Film yourself, see if you're doing the first way, change it, and your back problems will start disappearing like this. And now guys, the biggest one, the most important one, the machine that should be illegal in the gym. Number 3. But first, subscribe, like, and comment. I'm doing this for you guys, so help us out. Let's go. Squats in a Smith rack. That should never happen. The Smith rack should not even exist. Why? This is murdering your back, this is murdering your shoulders, this is murdering any muscle group that you're trying to target and training it on this one. Now I'll show you why. If you load your body with any heavy weight and you're doing it in the wrong position, you won't be able to do it. So let's say you're doing a military press and you take too heavy weight and you try to press, you won't be able to press because other parts of your body, lower back, power position, thoracic spine, will start bending in the wrong position and they won't be able to support you. You won't be able to push. In a squat, if you take a barbell and you start doing a squat and it is too heavy and you start doing it in wrong position, you will feel it directly. You will be falling backwards. You will stop doing it. Now in a Smith machine, you can push heavy in the worst position because the Smith machine is holding everything together and helps you not to fall. That means you can be smashing heavy weights in the worst form. That means murdering your back, and this is one of the biggest reasons people have problems in their body. Now let me show you how I'm doing a squat in the wrong way in a Smith machine. Check yourself if you're doing that. Now, you can do a correct squat in a Smith machine. It's not impossible, but it's possible to do it the wrong way. Take it away. And what do you substitute this? Well, just do a normal squat. I know it's harder, but what is harder will make you harder. So guys, my tip for the Smith machine, skip it totally. Never use it again. Use a barbell. It is going to build you better. It is going to not injure you, and it is going to help you become stronger and more agile and more athletic. If you like this, guys, subscribe.